What's up, guys? In today's video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok app not working or no internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen TikTok. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if there's an available update for TikTok. If there is, install the latest version. If the issue continues, go to your phone settings, open apps, select TikTok, then tap storage and choose clear cache. After that, force to close the app and open it again. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone and try again. You can also check if TikTok servers are down. If the servers are experiencing issues, you'll simply need to wait until the service is restored. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the TikTok no internet connection error. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.